Hi, this is Mark Woehrle, broker at Remax Escarpment. I'm here today at our newest listing at 139 Stoneglen Way in one of the most desirable neighborhoods in Mount Hope.
Hi, I'm Wendy Tanner, sales representative at Remax Escarpment. You can view the details of this property through the 3D virtual tour, this video, and the photos from the safety of your home. We hope you enjoyed this video, the photos, and navigating the 3D virtual tour of this home. We hope everyone stays happy and healthy.
Thank you for visiting us at 139 Stoneglen Way in Mount Hope, Ontario. If you have questions about this home, or if you would like to list your home, I can be reached at 905-512-1846.